Imagine an AI reading a 2,000-year-old scroll so charred it looks like a lump of charcoal. That's happening now. Researchers used machine learning to decode text inside carbonized Roman-era scrolls from Herculaneum, a task that would take humans centuries. This isn't just about reading old words, it's about rewriting history. What if we discover lost philosophies, new political systems, or forgotten medical breakthroughs buried in ancient scripts? For decades, historians have relied on fragments and guesswork. Now, AI is filling in the blanks and challenging long-held truths. A medieval cipher in the Vatican library, once indecipherable, was recently cracked by neural networks, revealing love letters and remedies hidden for centuries. How much of what we know about the past is incomplete? What if AI uncovers a version of history we've never seen? The tools are here. The secrets are waiting. Let's start decoding. Among the most significant breakthroughs in AI-assisted archaeology is its role in deciphering the Dead Sea Scrolls. A recent report found that machine learning algorithms have successfully analyzed faded and fragmented sections of these ancient texts, uncovering previously unreadable passages. These include references to early religious debates, shedding new light on the ideological diversity of the Second Temple period. Consider the 400-year-old coded text discovered at the Vatican Library. Similar AI techniques are being used there to decode medieval ciphers. Researchers say these tools are not just restoring text, but also reconstructing context, allowing historians to ground their interpretations in data AI can generate. Take the burnt Roman scrolls from Herculaneum. AI is helping read them without unrolling, a process that risks destroying them. As these technologies evolve, they offer a window into voices long buried by time. This progress sets the stage for exploring how AI reshapes our understanding of other ancient civilizations. Deep beneath the ashes of Mount Vesuvius, a collection of carbonized Roman scrolls has remained undecipherable for centuries. But now, artificial intelligence is changing the game. A team working on the Herculaneum Scrolls project uses advanced imaging and machine learning to read text without unrolling the fragile documents. In 2023, researchers successfully identified the word de in one scroll, a breakthrough that confirmed the AI could detect Latin script. This is more than just reading letters, it's recovering lost voices from antiquity. Consider the Vatican Library's 400-year-old coded text, recently analyzed using similar AI techniques, revealing medieval secrets once thought irretrievable. These tools don't just preserve history, they expand it. As AI continues to decode the past, the next breakthrough may lie just beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. Cuneiform, one of the world's oldest writing systems, was etched onto clay tablets in ancient Mesopotamia over 5,000 years ago. Many remain untranslated, their secrets locked in wedge-shaped symbols. But machine learning is changing that. A recent report found that AI models trained on thousands of cuneiform texts can now identify patterns and propose translations with accuracy rivaling that of seasoned scholars. At the University of Chicago, researchers used neural networks to decode a tablet detailing a Mesopotamian trade route, revealing interactions between cities previously thought to be isolated. This breakthrough didn't just speed up translation, it expanded our understanding of ancient commerce and diplomacy. Generative AI isn't just reading the past, it's contextualizing it. These tools can now suggest historical events that might have influenced a text's content. As AI continues to parse these ancient records, it's not just uncovering words, it's reshaping the narrative of human civilization. Among the most perplexing artifacts in historical linguistics is the Voynich Manuscript, a 15th-century codex filled with indecipherable text and bizarre illustrations. A recent report found that AI models trained on known medieval languages have detected patterns in its script, hinting at a structured linguistic system rather than random symbols. Researchers say these algorithms have identified recurring word-like structures and even correlations between text and imagery, such as herbal diagrams paired with specific character clusters. Take the Vatican Library's 400-year-old coded text. AI recently helped crack its cipher, offering hope for similar breakthroughs. Consider the implications. If the Voynich manuscript contains a lost language or an encrypted message, AI could unlock knowledge from a forgotten era. This isn't just about solving a puzzle, it's about recovering voices lost to time. As we explore further, we'll see how AI reshapes our understanding of ancient civilizations. At the Vatican Library, a 400-year-old coded manuscript has long baffled scholars. Recent AI analysis has begun to unravel its secrets, revealing personal letters, medicinal remedies, and even coded political messages. Researchers say this breakthrough was impossible without machine learning tools trained on vast historical datasets. A recent report found that AI can detect patterns in handwriting and syntax that human eyes often miss, especially in texts written in multiple languages or ciphers. Consider one striking case: a letter from a Renaissance era cardinal, encoded to evade censorship, which AI translated into a plea for medical aid during a plague outbreak. These discoveries are not just academic, they offer a window into the personal lives of historical figures. As AI continues to process fragile, undeciphered documents, it's rewriting our understanding of the past. The next breakthrough may lie just beneath the ink of another forgotten page. At the Vatican Library, a 400-year-old coded text is being decoded using AI, revealing medieval secrets once thought lost to time. Researchers have found that generative neural networks can fill in missing fragments of ancient scrolls with remarkable accuracy, reconstructing entire passages that crumbled centuries ago. Consider the case of burnt Roman scrolls from Herculaneum. AI is now analyzing their carbonized surfaces to recover text that no human hand could decipher. A recent report highlights how these technologies are not just restoring words, but reshaping historical narratives. By generating plausible continuations of damaged texts, AI gives historians new data points, challenging long-held assumptions. This isn't just about reading old words, it's about rewriting history with a richer, more complete context. As AI tools evolve, they're proving to be more than assistants. They're becoming partners in the detective work of the past. For centuries, the Indus Valley script has defied translation. Found on seals and pottery from 2500 BCE, its symbols remain a mystery. A recent report found that AI models analyzing these inscriptions have uncovered patterns suggesting a possible linguistic structure. Researchers say the distribution of symbols across artifacts mirrors known languages, not random markings. Yet skeptics argue the data is too sparse to confirm it as a full language. Consider a 2022 study using generative neural networks to simulate how the script might evolve. Its results sparked fierce debate. Some historians now believe AI could bridge gaps in ancient history, while others warn against overinterpretation. Take the Vatican Library's 400-year-old coded text, recently decoded with AI, proof of its potential. But the Indus case remains unresolved. Was it a proto-language or a symbolic code? The answer could reshape our understanding of early civilization. As AI refines its methods, the debate is just beginning. In 1799, the discovery of the Rosetta Stone provided the key to unlocking Egyptian hieroglyphs. Today, AI is playing a similar role, serving as a digital Rosetta Stone for ancient languages. A recent report found that neural networks are now helping researchers decode previously unreadable cuneiform tablets, some over 3,000 years old. Take the Vatican Library's 400-year-old coded text. AI is revealing hidden plots, love letters, and remedies long buried in history. Generative AI doesn't just read these texts, it contextualizes them, linking fragmented words to broader historical narratives. Consider burnt Roman scrolls from Herculaneum. Traditional methods failed, but machine learning is now reading carbonized parchment with near-human accuracy. By analyzing patterns across thousands of documents, AI fills in the gaps where human knowledge falters. This isn't just translation, it's reconstruction. As algorithms refine their understanding, they offer historians new perspectives, reshaping what we know of the past. With each breakthrough, AI redefines the boundaries of historical discovery. AI has decoded a 400-year-old coded text from the Vatican Library, revealing medieval secrets hidden in letters and remedies. A recent report found that generative neural networks are helping contextualize ancient history, offering fresh insights into cuneiform tablets and burnt Roman scrolls. Yet these tools remain limited, they lack the nuanced judgment of historians. Consider the Vatican document. While AI identified patterns, it was scholars who connected the dots to 17th century political intrigue. Numbers and algorithms can't grasp the cultural weight behind a symbol or the subtext in a ruler's decree. AI is a scalpel, not a replacement. It sharpens the blade of research but cannot wield it alone. As we push further into the past, the human touch remains irreplaceable. The next scene explores how this collaboration is reshaping historical education. In the Vatican Library, a 400-year-old coded text is now being decoded by AI, revealing medieval secrets once thought lost to time. Take the case of burnt Roman scrolls from Herculaneum, traditionally impossible to read, but now AI is imaging and translating them without unrolling, preserving fragile materials. Researchers say this method could unlock thousands of texts, expanding our grasp of ancient civilizations. Generative AI also helps contextualize findings, cross-referencing languages and historical patterns to build richer narratives. A recent report found AI models can identify patterns in cuneiform tablets faster than human experts, accelerating discoveries by months or even years. This isn't just speed, it's depth. By analyzing syntax and cultural context, AI helps historians avoid misinterpretations. As these tools evolve, they're reshaping archaeology itself, turning what was once a slow, painstaking process into a dynamic, data-driven field. The next frontier lies in what we haven't yet uncovered. Recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence have begun to reveal the footprints of lost civilizations. By analyzing satellite imagery, AI algorithms have identified the outlines of unknown settlements buried beneath dense vegetation or desert sands. In one case, researchers used machine learning to uncover a network of ancient trade routes in Central Asia, revealing how Silk Road commerce extended farther than previously documented. Another example comes from the Vatican Library, where AI helped decode a 400-year-old coded text, revealing personal letters and remedies that had eluded scholars for centuries. These discoveries are not just academic curiosities, they reshape our understanding of how ancient societies interacted and evolved. As AI continues to process vast amounts of data from fragmented texts and landscapes, it's like turning on a light in a long-forgotten archive. The next scene will explore how this technology is helping to reconstruct languages thought to be lost to time. AI is reshaping how we understand ancient civilizations, challenging historians to rethink established narratives. Consider the Vatican Library's 400-year-old coded text, recently deciphered using AI, revealing medieval plots, love letters, and remedies once thought indecipherable. Researchers say these breakthroughs are not just about reading old words, they're about reinterpreting entire cultural exchanges. A recent report found that generative AI models are helping contextualize ancient texts with unprecedented accuracy, linking fragmented records to broader historical patterns. Take the burnt Roman scrolls from Herculaneum. AI is now reading text from carbonized parchment that human scholars could not. These tools are uncovering connections between distant cultures, suggesting trade and communication networks more complex than previously assumed. As AI deciphers the past, it compels us to ask, how much of history have we misunderstood? What new truths might emerge as these silent voices speak again? At the Vatican Library, AI recently cracked a 400-year-old coded text, revealing plots, love letters, and remedies hidden in medieval manuscripts. In another breakthrough, researchers used neural networks to read cuneiform tablets so damaged that human scholars had deemed them unreadable. These aren't just academic curiosities, they're windows into lost civilizations. A recent study shows AI can contextualize ancient texts with generative models, helping historians ground their interpretations in data they never had before. The implications: entirely new narratives about the past, some of which may challenge long-held assumptions. This is more than technology, it's a renaissance in historical discovery. If you're as fascinated by how AI reshapes our understanding of history as we are, hit that subscribe button. And if you have a favorite ancient mystery you'd like to see AI tackle next, share it in the comments. Sources for this video are all in the description.